You can contact Starlite Smile customer service through Amazon either before or after purchasing an item. Let me show you how. First, go to Starlite Smile product page. If you don't know how to find this page, start at amazon.com/Starlite Smile. It looks like this. Now, click on the product you want to buy or have already purchased. Next, look on the right side of the page under one-time purchase. See the small print that says Sold by Starlite Smile? Click that. Now, under the Buy Now button, click Sold by Starlite Smile again. So it can be a little confusing because for some customers it will say one-time purchase. For others, it just goes straight to the Buy Now button. Next, click on Ask a Question. The Amazon bot will try to narrow down what you need, but if you answer other or none of these, the bot will give you a box to write an email to us. After you submit, we will receive an email with your question and get back to you within a few hours. If you've already purchased a product, you may also have a Get Help button on your order page next to your Starlite Smile product. This process works the same way on a cell phone. Starlite Smile's Texas team is always ready to provide excellent customer service and will quickly take care of any problem or issue that you may have, including providing a replacement or even a refund. We want you to be happy with your product, so just let us know how we can make your experience great. Thanks again.